everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to set up the PHP scripting language and link it into a web server. In case you haven't installed and configured a web server yet, please check out my previous video release about installing an Apache web server on Windows 10. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you think that the content is helpful. Thank you very much. So now let's start. To download PHP, let's use Google. Type in here PHP download and go to php.net and click Windows Downloads. The latest release nowadays is PHP 8.0. As you can see here, there are different threads available to extract into your system. So please check out the compatibility of your operating system. If you have a 64-bit operating system, then go for VS16x64 thread safe. If not, then use the different thread below. But since I have a 64-bit operating system, I have to download this zip file and extract it into my Windows operating system. So, since I have downloaded it, all I have to do is to extract it into the folder of PHP. So click Extract to. You can extract it, by the way, by using WinRAR or WinZip. So extract it to the root path and give a folder name PHP and click OK. So after extracting it, go to the Explorer, open Explorer and search for the PHP folder. And when you open the PHP folder, you can see here, search for PHP ini-development and rename it, here it is, and rename this one by removing the dash development. Rename this one into php.ini. Okay, so and then just simply click OK. After renaming it, close this one, or go to environment variables. You can type in here below if it's not displayed here, but since it's already displayed on my system, I just simply click on here and click on environment variables and then choose path and edit new and set the path of the PHP. So you can type in here directly, or you can also choose this button browse, but I prefer to type it here. C /PHP, it's the name of your folder, and then just simply click OK. And then we have to link the PHP libraries into a server. In this case, it would be the Apache web server. By doing that, go to the Explorer, open the Apache folder, and open the configuration folder of the server. But before doing that, I'm going to show you which data we're going to embed into our web server. So if you click on the PHP folder and scroll down below, this is the data, PHP 8 Apache2.4.48. We have to embed this into the configuration of Apache web server. So let's go back to the Apache folder. That is why it's necessary that you have to install and configure the Apache web server before you install or set up the PHP scripting language. Okay, so let's continue. Open the configuration folder, that is the CYNF folder, and open this HTTPD, and I'll expand this one, and from here go to edit and click find. So type in here on the field local module, just like the one showed here, with capital L and capital M without space, and then click on find next, and as you can see it's already marked below, and just scroll down. At the very end of this load module lines, we have to insert our PHP library by typing load module and then the PHP module, and then the path folder name and the library PHP 8 Apache 2.4 and close it with a double quote. And at the very end of these lines, scroll down, we have to add handler, and specify the application, and the server, and the PHP, and then space, and the extension of PHP. So after typing the add handler, we have to add the PHP directory, and specify the root path where you extracted your PHP. And save the file. So let's close this one and then restart the service again. Go to services and restart your Apache. So after restarting the web server, create a PHP file to check if the PHP has been correctly configured and linked into a web server. By doing that, open a notepad, and from here type PHP code. Let's use the PHP info. And save this in your local web server. This is the local web server, the HT docs. And save this as PHP file. So let's close this one and let's check on the browser. Type localhost and info. So if your local service has been configured correctly, the PHP version will show up here and your PHP is ready for use. So thanks for listening and watching this video, and I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel See you next time.